January's trader contest was one of the most popular yet, but the contest team have been forced to strip one trader off their podium finish. Before we deal with the dirty business of cheating, let's first take a look at the happier topic of the week's best trades. SELVAKUMAR made a really nice profit of 170 pips on the Aussie dollar, as he expected the pair to be in an uptrend and targeted for resistance at 107.50, close to the weekly top. It's a similar story with ENDGAME, who collected 104 pips from the Kiwi dollar as it found support at the 0.8212 level. IncaTrader used support levels for the entrance and closed the trade manually, as the Elliott 5 waves completed and gained 112 pips on the euro-yen. On Wednesday, the euro gained back its losses sustained on Tuesday. This trader went long on the euro-US dollar and caught hold of 129 pips. Moving on now, we'll hear from Grey Goose and find out what market moving events he'll be keeping a close eye on in the coming weeks.
In the coming weeks, I will be paying special consideration towards the euro-Swiss francs. The market has been continuously pushing for the 120 that the S&P has proclaimed to defend with unlimited liquidity. Considering how the 2-week intervention phase last year cost the S&P 40% of Swiss GDP, there is an absolute need for them to defend it. The ramifications of a failure purely in macroeconomic terms would be disastrous, to say the very least. Additionally, looking at the euro-US dollar, it has a bear target of 129 and a bull target of 135, but it is stuck in between considering everybody is waiting for the NFP numbers to act as a catalyst. I will also be looking to set up swing short positions on the Australian dollar, US dollar, presupposing that price fails to close above the 107.60 horizontal line on the daily charts. To improve my standings this contest, I've decided to return to scalping for short-term high gains and reduce the fallout risk I've been experiencing in the last 2 weeks of every contest.
Unfortunately, the Dukascopy contest team have been forced to carefully screen the top 10 finalists to detect any cheating. As a result, Think Tank, who was runner-up, has been permanently banned and disqualified, which means Onar Suga now takes second place. After a bad turn at the start of the month, Louis 777 managed to climb back up the standings, making him January's winner. Now, we already have more than 700 participants in the trader contest this month and over 100 in the strategy contest. It's still early days, so get yourself registered to be in with a chance of winning those fabulous prizes. That's all for this edition of Contest Checkup, but do join me again next week for a fresh rundown of the contest activity.